Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a random number generator in JavaScript. So first we're gonna make a variable holding the random number. So let's do let random number equals. So now we need to use the math.random built-in JavaScript function. And we will multiply this by, for example, let's say 100. Just to remind you that math.random returns a value from 0 to 1. But it's not going to return 1. It's going to return, for example, the highest it will return will be 0.99999. So if we do this and console log our random number, we are getting our number, but the problem is we're having decimals here, and we don't want that. So the best way to get rid of the decimals is to floor our expression here. So we'll use the math.floor function. Let's put this in brackets here and call the math.floor function. Math.floor. If we console log the number again, it will give us a rounded number, but we have a slight problem. It's going to generate numbers from 0, and we don't want that. To fix that issue, we will just add +1. And that's it, guys. We have our random number generator, and of course you can put whatever number you want here. Like this, for example, let's put I don't know, this number, and it will generate a random number. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had an amazing day and happy coding.